Okay, there's the crappy blizzard. It's snowing sideways and getting my camera wet, so I can only do this for a couple seconds. Alright, Sally, that's what you're missing. Alright, sidewalks are not clear, so people are walking down the street. Just a shot of Marshfield. It's not plowed. It's not going to be. Addison's barely plowed. Here comes a car, going slow. He'll spin out. Where's your hat? Like the blizzard? What do you see out the window? What do you see? See snow? You say snow? Mm-hmm. I don't need window coverings anymore for my neighbors. And there's Sadie. That's what she's doing during the snow. Hi, Sadie. Well, I shoveled all this morning. It's all back. Alright. That is a picture of the snow. This is the dog pee area where the animals can go. That's Mount Anderson. Everything is a huge snowpile. Alright, there's the alley. It's quite nasty. Between a little shovel and Frank, I was able to pull this apart. Boy, does it suck. That was a lot of work. It really is that high. People's shit is stuck all over the place. There's a big tow coming, or something. Something that is not going to clean up my alley. Power truck. Here it comes. Those guys just spun it out. That was impressive. There's a plow. It's not coming here. Maybe it is, but I doubt it.